Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What is up, guys? It's Chris and welcome back to my new studio. So I want to share with you some tips, tricks, and hidden features of the Ring Video Doorbell Pro and why I think it's a vital piece of technology that should be in your home right now. And all the features I'm going to be talking about is located within the Ring app. Now let's get straight into the first awesome feature you have to enable right now if you have a Ring Video Doorbell Pro. It's called Smart Responses. This feature is brand new and it's so awesome. When someone rings the doorbell will respond with automated responses to either leave a package, leave a message, or just leave. Yes, you pesky solicitors, now my doorbell can do the rejections for me. You can even customize how long you want the doorbell to start talking. For me personally, I put it to right away. Just know the only way to view the recordings in the Ring app is with the premium subscription. However, for me, it's totally worth it. Now let's talk about motion zones. I love the camera quality on the doorbell, and I also love how I can customize motion zones so I don't get unwanted notifications. A feature you also need to enable right now is colored night vision. It's under device settings and then video settings. It gives you some color under low light situations and it's amazing. It looks really good compared to the black and white you can only get with certain other doorbell cameras. And another awesome feature you need to enable right now is called Snapshot Capture. What this does is it takes a photo even if the Ring doesn't detect any motion, which helps you see what's going on during the day. Kind of like a time lapse. If you have a Doorbell Pro, because it's wired and it's supplying a constant supply of power, you can actually take a snapshot capture every 30 seconds, giving you a more detailed view of what's going on throughout the day. It's super cool being able to see a time lapse of the day, and sometimes my doorbell does miss something, but if it's within the time frame of the snapshot capture, it shows a quick photo of what's going on, which is really cool. If you have another Ring camera, say a spotlight cam or a stick-up cam, you can actually link your devices together so that if there's motion detected on one device, it will automatically start recording on another device. So for me, if it detects motion in the doorbell, I automatically have my front house camera recording. So just in case my doorbell misses anything, my front camera will catch whatever it missed. Lastly, this feature is a feature not a lot of people talk about or discuss. If you have an Echo or Echo Show, you can show the front doorbell with the video on the device. Just say the command and ask her to show you the front door, and then she'll show you a real-time view of the front door, and you can even talk to the person on the other side of the doorbell with your Amazon device, which is redonkulous. Alexa, show me the front door. Simba, what are you doing over there? The Ring Video Doorbell Pro just decreased its price from $250 to $170, making this a great deal. Ring just announced their all-new Video Doorbell Pro 2 that comes in around $250, but has awesome new features like 1536p as well as head-to-toe video and first of its kind 3D motion detection, which seems awesome. However, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro is still a great buy. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video. Make sure to hit that like button. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Help me get there, guys. And I'll see you guys next week.